how to add Facebook profile link to Reddit profile. First, you need to open up your profile selection on your account on Reddit. Then, as you can see right here, you have an option which is add social link. Just click right down on that plus icon setup, and as you get right there, you need to select which application you want to take over on that selection. In this case, it is Facebook. Just go for Facebook. Here you need to add the display text, or for example the name of that setup. For example, it is Mia. And right here you need to simply go on the profile setup on that case and get the profile URL for going to simply copy that setup. And as you get done with all that stuff, you need simply to paste it right here. I'm just giving you an example how it works. And when you're done, you simply go save on your right upper side and then tap on the left side to get right here. Take that refresh, and as you can see, we have got an added Facebook profile link to Reddit profile.